Have you ever wondered how hackers discover every device on a network, how they find open ports, or even detect what operating system is running on a machine? Well, it all starts with one powerful tool, Nmap. In this video, I'll break down what Nmap is, what it does, and show you a few quick example commands. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It's a free and open source tool used to scan and analyze networks. With Nmap, you can detect devices on a network, find open ports, discover running services, and even guess the operating system. It's not just for hackers. Network administrators and cybersecurity professionals use it too. Here are 3 core things you can do with Nmap. Discover all devices connected to a network. Scan for open ports on a specific device, identify what OS and services are running, and you can do all that from a simple terminal window. Let me give you some quick examples. Basic scan, Nmap 192.168. 1.1, this scans a single device and shows open ports. Version detection, Nmap, SV 192.168. 1.1, this shows which services are running and their versions. Full analysis, Nmap, A 192.168. 1.1, this performs a comprehensive scan, OS detection, ports, services, traceroute, and more. Simple, right? Nmap is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always use it ethically, and only on networks you have permission to scan. Want to see Nmap in action with a real hands-on demo? Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because the full tutorial is coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.